Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm going to be making some trail mix. This could not be any easier, and you can put in it what you really like and what you don't like. If you go to the store and you get it, there's probably some of the things in there that you don't like, and there might be a lot of preservatives and things in there where it's trying to keep it shelf stable. So we're going to make it from things that you probably already have at home, and like I said earlier, you can put in it what you like, and if there's anything in here that you don't like, this is just the basis of where I go with mine. You can definitely add more of some items or take items away or put items in. I'll give you some more suggestions once we're done with those. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started. I've got just a mixing bowl here, but you can skip this process. I just like to give it a little mix through, and then I'm going to put it into an airtight container and I'm going to store it that way. So what we're going to start with is I've got 3/4 of a cup of cashews, and these are roasted and salted. You can definitely use the ones that aren't roasted and salted, just get plain ones. If you want to do those, you can definitely do those. And then I've got 3/4 of a cup. These are chocolate covered almonds. I am a chocoholic. I absolutely love chocolate. So chocolate covered almonds, 3/4 of a cup. We'll put that in. Then I've got some sliced almonds to kind of go along with those. These are sliced, and we'll just kind of add those to the top. And now with your chocolate, you can either go with white chocolate, you can go with the milk chocolate that I've got here, you can go with the semi-sweet, the dark chocolate, whatever kind of chocolate you like. This is 1/2 of a cup of the chocolate little bits here, so we're going to add those in. Then I've got pistachios. I absolutely love pistachios. If you don't like pistachios, you can leave this out. You can put more in them, but these are a 1/2 a cup of pistachios. Then I've got sunflower seeds. I love these. These are really good seeds. And these are shell. These do not have the shell on them. That's 1/2 a cup of sunflower seeds. And then I've got some sliced pecans here. You can use whole pecans if you like those. I've got the sliced ones here. I find it just a little bit easier to eat them when they're that way, but definitely if you've got the whole halves, you can definitely use those. Then I've got a 1/2 of a cup of pumpkin seeds here. These are roasted pumpkin seeds. We'll add those in. Now I've got a 1/2 a cup of cranberries. These are really good. I really like the cranberries in these, and those are really nice to add to that. If you want to put raisins in it, you can definitely do those. And then I've got some chocolate covered cranberries here. I saw these in the store the other day and I thought this would be really good in my trail, so I thought I'd give that a try. Chocolate covered cranberries, that's a 1/2 a cup of those. And then I've got a 1/2 a cup of cherries. These are dried cherries. I really like cherries whole when they're in season, and I like them when they're dried too. You can also add some coconut. If you like coconut, you can definitely add that to it. It's just innumerable what you can do to it. So this is why I like making it at home. You can add as much or a little as some of the items that you like, and we just want to give that a little mix through. All right, now that I've got my trail mix mixed together, I'm going to get me a little spoonful of it here, and we're going to give this a taste test. That is absolutely delicious. I know you're going to love this, and you can control what you put in it. A lot of the trail mixes that you see in the stores have added sugars and things, and if you're like me, you're trying to stay away from a lot of those extra things. We just don't need those. And a lot of the fruits and things that you put in here are naturally sweet on their own. You don't need that extra added sugar to those. So definitely give this a try. Like I say, once you get it mixed up, put it into an airtight container and you've got it shelf stable, and you and your family can eat on them as long as they last. Around here, they don't last very long, but a couple of days and they're gone. And if you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of these other 2 videos over here. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you on how your trail mix turned out or what you might add to yours differently. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye now.